Hi everyone. In this video, we look at how to replace images in Canva. Now, you can replace images in a lot of different ways, depends on what image you exactly want to replace. But we will look at two types. One is if you want to replace images across all your designs in Canva. Let's say you created an icon and you want to replace it across all the pages where you used it, or a logo. And the other one is if you want to replace an image within a certain design. So let's look at the first one where you replace an image across all your designs. We go to projects and then you go here to type and you go to images. So remember, we are in the home page, we go to projects and then we simply select type and we go to images. Now, these are all the images that have been uploaded to Canva. So let me replace one image like this, Brian LinkedIn AI. See, this is an image, it's a PNG file. So it's an image. It also says here it's an image. So I'm just going to open it up, okay? And just check, if everything is okay, if this is the image I want, if it's low quality or not, etc. So this is a good image. Now, all you have to do is then click on these three buttons over here and choose replace across designs. Now, let's be clear, this is a pro feature. You see the crown over there, little crown, which means it's a pro feature. You do not have this in the free version. I find this very helpful because I use a lot of icons and images and it's very easy to replace them, but it's up to you. So replace across designs. And now it will show me which designs it has been used in. So it has been used here, it has been used here. Now I can choose to replace an image only in one design or in all designs. So I can select all, and that image will be replaced in all my files and all the files that it has been used currently. Or I can just select only one and that's it. Then you do continue and then you choose a file. Now, when you go to choose a file, so which is the file that you want to replace your old file with, then it will give you, it'll open up your desktop and you can choose any file over here, right? I'm not going to replace it right now, so I don't want to do that. You can also drag your file over here and just put it over here, and then you can choose the file, preview, and then you can review and replace. And that's it, right? I'm not going to do it right now because I don't actually want to replace that image, but that's essentially how you do it. Now, if you want to replace an image in your design, this is how you can do it. Let's say you have a frame over here. Let's say you have this, or a mock-up. Mock-ups are also possible. And let's say you have used an image over here. So let's say I've used this image, okay? This is the image and I want to put it over here. Or let's say this, okay? It is an image and I want to put it in the square frame. Or maybe I just take a different shape frame so it's easy to understand. Okay, that's this one. And now I want to take this and I can just hold it on top of this and it gets inserted into the frame. Now I want to replace this image. Then I can simply go and choose a different image. Okay, let's maybe this one. And then I hold it over the image and it gets replaced. So all you have to do is select an image and hold it over the frame or the mockup and it will get replaced immediately. And those are the two ways you can replace an image in Canva. If you were not looking for this and something else and have a specific question about how to replace a specific kind of image in Canva, then do write in the comments and I will try to make a video about that.